In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your user ID for Yahoo Mail. This process is straightforward and will help you understand where to look for this essential information. Your Yahoo ID is primarily the part of your email address that appears before the @ symbol. It's an important identifier for your account. By knowing how to find it, you can streamline account management and ensure you are using the correct identifier in various situations. To get started, open Yahoo Mail on your device. Ensure you are using a web browser or the Yahoo Mail app. If you're on a browser, simply type in mail.yahoo.com and hit enter. If you're using the app, just tap to open it. Once you have Yahoo Mail open, you will be greeted by your inbox. This is where you'll manage your emails, but now we're focusing on locating your Yahoo ID. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or your name displayed there. If you have not set a profile picture, your initials may appear instead. This area is crucial because it provides a quick access point to your account settings. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu with several options, making it easier to manage your account. Once you click your profile picture or name, your full email address will be displayed. Pay close attention to the details shown. This will typically look something like johnsmith@yahoo.com. The part before the @ symbol is your Yahoo ID. It's important to note this because you will need it for various account-related activities such as logging in or sharing your email address. Yahoo also notes that some accounts may use different domains such as @yahoo.co.uk or @myyahoo.com. This is vital when you are signing in or sharing your email address with others. Always ensure you are using the correct ending to avoid confusion or login issues. This little detail can save you a lot of time later when you are trying to troubleshoot access problems. After confirming your Yahoo ID, take a moment to jot it down if necessary. Keeping this information handy can help you in situations where you might need to identify or verify your account. You could even save it in a secure password manager for easy access later. This step ensures that you will not forget your Yahoo ID when you need it most. Now that you have identified your Yahoo ID, you can navigate your account with confidence. Whether you are updating your profile, signing into a different service, or communicating with friends, knowing your Yahoo ID simplifies these tasks. It helps maintain clarity and efficiency in your online interactions. In summary, finding your Yahoo ID is a simple but essential task. By following these steps, you can easily locate your user ID and ensure you are using it correctly in various situations. Remember to always check the domain associated with your email to avoid any mix-ups. Thank you for watching, and now you should feel confident in finding your Yahoo ID whenever you need it.